The good news is the demand for good software engineers is growing. The bad news is this demand is far outweighing the supply. And that is bad news because it is causing a serious crisis worldwide. Companies are not able to get the tech talent they are looking for. The skills that the companies are looking to hire, the skills that they need to solve their problems are in huge shortage. In fact, some of our companies are at the verge of collapse. They are not collapsing because of any other reason. It is because their tech is in huge debt. As I talk to you, there is a shortage as of 2021. There is a shortage of 50 million good software engineers in the world. 50 million. And if that is a shocker to you, I'll shock you even further. By 2030, if we do not take action now, the shortage is going to go up to 85.2 million. That has been proven by research. So we need to take action now. The question I have is, does it mean we do not have young people who can learn? And I know the answer is no, because young people are all over looking for jobs and they're not getting them. I know the problem is because we do not have, or rather we have a shortage of places where our young people can go and get reliable skills that they can use to secure jobs out there. That is it. The places where young people can get skills are in shortage, if they are there at all. The universities that we are sending our students to do computer science and software engineering and all that are good, but I can tell you what the universities are teaching today is not what the market wants. Those books are outdated. Those ones will give you the foundation, but will not give you the skill you need in the market. If you are CEO of a company, you know what I'm talking about here. The colleges we are sending our students are not different. So it is okay, send your boy, send your girl to the college. And if you are there, you are a student, well and good, finish your degree. But then as you are doing that, please get skills that the market is looking for. And that is why I decided to start SAID Academy. I am a practicing software engineer, and I decided to do this for the world. I have started, and I'm going to push this to the end. Now at SAID Academy, we are teaching people from scratch. We assume that you do not have any prior knowledge of software engineering. So we are training you from scratch. We are doing hand-holding from the basics all the way to the end. We have calls every week that we're going to be making. In the calls, you can ask your questions. We can discuss projects. And then we also have projects in addition to that. So we are going to be building real-world projects. So that, for instance, if we learn a technology today, you see how that technology applies in a real-world project. This is not a place where you're going to come and buy a course and you're on your own. No. You need to buy the course, and then you need to buy the membership, and then you are going to be having calls weekly. We are going to be having discussions where we are going to be talking about complex topics, and then in addition to that, projects which come in handy. On our page, if you look at our page right now, that is said.education. said.academy, said.academy. You're going to find that we have a forum. Now, this forum is a place where you are supposed to use to ask your questions. Now, these questions, let's say for instance, you are stuck with something. You don't have to wait for me at the whatever day we are having our call so that I can answer your question. Post the question on the forum and I will respond to it on the forum immediately. The good news there is that I must not be the person responding. The other students on the forum, and students are there, they are looking at what others are posting. And this is a good opportunity for you as a student. If, for instance, you understand the topic which someone has posted as a question, you answer, and this way you understand it better. So the forum comes in handy in that you can ask your questions and get answers immediately. And also for the other students, you can get an in-depth understanding of a topic by responding to other students' questions. So I look to see you in the course. Check out said.academy. subscribe, and let's start the journey. Opportunities are all over the world. They are waiting for you out there. You can do your own simple search and you're going to see that. Cheers and see you inside.